The legal beer drinking age. In my day, beer drinking started around age 14 to 15. This was a sort of rite of passage, and although we didn't really enjoy the change from the sweet sodas to the bitter beer, one soon got used to it. Today, however, the youngsters don't have that problem. They can still get the buzz with all those alcoholic pop drinks that are still sweet, like the cold drinks they used to drink. However, the legal beer drinking age varies widely around the world, reflecting cultural, social and legal differences among nations. In many countries, the minimum legal drinking age is 18 years. This is true in much of Europe, South America, Australia, South Africa. But for example, in the United States, different story. In the UK, 18-year-olds can legally purchase alcohol, and younger individuals may drink in private with parental supervision. Similarly, in Germany, 16-year-olds can consume beer and wine, although spirits are reserved for those 18 years and older. As I said, in contrast, the United States has a notably higher minimum legal drinking age of 21, one of the highest in the world. This standard was established by the National Minimum Drinking Age Act of 1984, which pressured states to comply by threatening to withhold federal highway funds. Despite this, some US states have unique regulations. For instance, in some states, like Alabama and Mississippi, the drinking age remains strictly 21, with few exceptions. On the other hand, some states have more lenient policies for specific circumstances. In Louisiana, for instance, the law allows parents to provide alcohol to their children on private property, despite the general 21-year minimum. Interestingly, a few United States have historical quirks or exceptions. For example, in Wisconsin, those under 21 can legally drink alcohol in bars or restaurants if accompanied by a parent or guardian or spouse who is of legal drinking age. These exceptions highlight the diverse approaches within the US, contrasting sharply with the more uniform regulations seen in other countries. Globally, the variation in drinking age reflects differing attitudes towards alcohol consumption and youth responsibility. While some nations trust 18-year-olds with the privilege of drinking, others, like the US, take a more cautious approach, aiming to reduce alcohol-related harm among younger populations. One still has to get used to drinking beer because beer is better for you than spirits.